How to get a loan for your medical and healthcare practices. Running a medical or healthcare practice takes more than just providing great care. You need capital to pay staff, upgrade equipment, and keep your operations running efficiently. Our team has worked with doctors, dentists, therapists, and clinic owners who needed quick access to funding. We are independent brokers and not employees of David Allen Capital, but we've partnered with them because they've consistently delivered fast approvals, competitive rates, and a smooth process for our clients. They work with multiple top funders at once, often approving applications in hours and funding within 24 to 48 hours. Plus, their $500 meet or beat guarantee ensures you're getting one of the best offers available. If another company beats their offer, they'll match it or give you $500, and they've never had to pay it. So far. If you've been in business for at least 6 months, have consistent revenue, and clean bank statements, you could be approved quickly, even with an average credit score. Click the link below in the description, watch the short video from DAC's founder, and fill out the application to see if you can get funding for your practice in the next couple of days. Good luck!